Welcome to this guided meditation for letting go of fear. We are so glad you've chosen to join me today. We are Unity of Consciousness, where we help you to achieve personal and spiritual growth. Dedicating this time, assess and deal with fear, which is a huge life hindrance. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax without interruptions. Feels most natural to you, whether sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to settle into this moment. Fear is a natural part of the human experience, sometimes subtly in the background, other times as a powerful, overwhelming sensation. In this meditation, we will explore how to acknowledge, understand, and ultimately release these fears. By becoming more mindful, we can recognize that we are solely responsible for how we respond to the thoughts our minds produce. Begin by focusing on your breath. Notice the rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently flowing out. Let each breath guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. Feel the tension melting away with each exhalation. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Allow your mind to become calm and focused. Let go of any lingering thoughts or tension, and open yourself in becoming fully present here and now. First, accept that in order to become more mindful, we must recognize that we are solely responsible for what we do with the thoughts our minds produce. Step 1. Accept it. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring to mind a fear or anxious thought you've been experiencing. Allow it to come into your awareness without judgment. Accept its presence. Understand that acknowledging this fear is the first step toward letting it go. Step 2. Identify it. Now, identify the specific nature of this fear. What is it about? Is it fear of failure? Fear of the unknown? Fear of loss? By naming it, you bring clarity to the feeling and diminish its power. Step 3. Feel it. Allow yourself to fully feel the fear. Notice where it resides in your body. Is it in your chest, your stomach, your shoulders? Breathe into that space, giving the sensation room to exist. By feeling it fully, you begin to dissolve its intensity. Step 4. Face it. Facing your fear means looking at it directly, understanding that fear is often a perception of the mind. Ask yourself, what is the worst-case scenario? Often, you will find that the reality is not as daunting as the fear itself. Have the courage to face it head-on. Step 5. Practice it. Practice this process regularly. Each time fear arises, go through these steps. Accept it, identify it, feel it, face it. With practice, you will find that your ability to let go of fear strengthens. Now, let's take a few moments to be fully present. Focus on your breath once again. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you. Be here, now, in this moment. Understand that fear is a perception of the mind. It's not a tangible reality but a projection of possible outcomes. Breathe through any panic you may feel. Remember that anxiety, while uncomfortable, is not harmful. It's a signal from your body that can be managed and understood. Challenge any unhelpful thoughts that arise. Replace them with affirmations of strength and courage. Visualize a happy place, a sanctuary in your mind where you feel safe and at peace. Talk about your fears with someone you trust. Sharing your worries can alleviate their burden and bring new perspectives. Finally, take care of yourself. Ensure that you are eating well, getting enough rest, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Inhale peace and calm. Exhale any remaining tension or fear. Allow yourself to align with your purpose, to feel the courage within you to let go of fear. Know that you have the power to navigate through any fear that arises with mindfulness and compassion. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body if needed. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of peace and empowerment with you. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. Remember, the practice of letting go of fear is ongoing. Each time you face your fears with acceptance and courage, you grow stronger. If you found this meditation helpful, consider incorporating it into your daily routine to continue building your life empowered with love, self-love, kindness and gratitude, and budding courage, resilience, and sustain yourself from your fears and merging into enjoyable life with success. Remember to practice these principles daily, nurturing your self-awareness, self-worth, self-esteem, self-care, and moving forward. Let us together, let's spread love, kindness, and gratitude and make the world a better place. This guided meditation is designed to help you cultivate and understand the essential element resilience and letting go of impending fears, and ultimately leading to greater personal happiness and improved relationship with yourself. By practicing regularly, you can transform your relationship with fear and live more peaceful life, become more resilient, enhancing your overall well-being. May you continue to cultivate and nurture self-love and resilience and understand the importance it has in your life. You have the power to create a life filled with love and compassion. Embrace it and live it fully. Remember to practice these principles daily, nurturing your self-awareness, self-worth, self-esteem, self-care, resilience, and moving forward.